Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to forward phone calls on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy or a Google Pixel or a different device, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the phone app. And then you want to select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner and select where it says settings. And then underneath General, select the Calls button, and then select Call Forwarding. And then you can select the different settings you want for, if you want to always forward messages, you can select that option to a number you want to always forward calls to, only perhaps when you're busy or when you have your call unanswered or when unreachable. So you can change the numbers for that depending on the circumstance. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.